How to change Facebook Messenger background. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Open any chat from here. If you want to change the background of this chat, then tap on the name above. Then, go to Theme. You can explore and choose a theme from the suggestions here to customize your chat. Select a theme that you like. Over here, you can preview the theme. Then, tap on Select below. You have now successfully changed the chat theme. Following these steps, you can easily change Facebook Messenger background. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.